So I would like to call on stage Shalini and Rohit, who will share with us a tale of spoilers caused due to this hair fall and dandruff. So let's have them on stage, please.
Well, I think that this has happened to quite a few people, but Head and Shoulders being a trusted brand, a brand that I think most of the world uses for anti-dandruff or has sworn by anti-dandruff earlier. Now I am swearing by the anti-hair fall, and I think half the young generation wants to try that out. So I think you should, because it can, it can change lives.
I think I should give it a try, and I'm sure most of the coming anniversaries will be as beautiful as yours in SAS.
Yes, well, I'm sure.
Yeah, I'm sure that it must have really hurt, like whatever happened, and must be like, oh God, I hope this never happens again.
Exactly.
But Karina, you're the grooming expert, so we would like to ask you that if you were ever stuck in such a situation, what would be your one-stop solution, and how would you go ahead and really save the day?
Well, I would tie my hair up. That's the only solution that I can think of. And you can still look beautiful and glamorous with your hair tied. And, it also gives you a sense of confidence, because I know at that point of time, you just lose confidence. And I think a woman is all about, knowing herself and believing in herself. So, I think a quick solution would be to just tie your hair up like what I like doing.
And I think you should avoid, you should hint your men not to touch your hair that day.
Okay. No, use Head and Shoulders and then you can get your hair stroked.
Okay.
Well, that's a nice solution, and we keep that in mind. Now, the festive season is around, and everyone's quite excited. It's around the corner. So, any advice that you would like to give to the young couples present here so that every moment can be really special?
Well, I think, enjoy every moment, definitely. I think everyone knows that Shraddh is over, and now, Navratras and Dhanteras and Diwali is coming in. It's a very, very popular time, especially back in India, for the Hindus and everyone to come together for the family. So I think that, just feel good, eat what you want, and use Head and Shoulders.
Wow, that's lovely. So feel good, eat what you want, and use Head and Shoulders. We are going to keep that in mind. So to celebrate Pyar Ke No Side Effects, we have some couples who have won the contest, and they are running on the Head and Shoulders social media page. And they are present here to join Karina on being free of all side effects and have beautiful, healthy hair. So on behalf of Head and Shoulders and all of us present here, we would like to say no to Pyar Ke side effects. And thank you, Karina, Shalini and Rohit, for lending your support to the campaign. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you, Shalini and Rohit. You can leave. to couples. Ahead. Yes, the photographers can have their feast, and also we request for the one-on-one interactions, the Janta bites. The Janta bites are going to happen now. So anybody wants to ask any questions, you're free to ask them. Yes. Sorry? Mic. They don't want the mic with you, so you can give it to me. Thank you. If anybody has any questions, so we can have a few questions, the Janta bites. Yes, you're ready? Once they finish, the photographers finish, we'll do it. Yes, yes, no problem. Okay, so we're done with the photos. Yeah, one more. Okay, we'll do the photographs later. Well, there's going to be another place where you can have your photo ops later, so we can now continue with the Janta bites. Thank you. Karina?
Hi Karina,
So can I have the...
Alok here from OAFM. मेरा सवाल है कि सवाल ये है कि ऐड हमने देखा अभी एवी देखा ऐड का, उसमें मिमिक्री हो रही है, शाहरुख खान किसी लड़की के साथ हैं, डीडीएलजे टाइप्स, कभी मिमिक्री होती है लाइक, तो आप कैसा फील करती हैं एज अ स्टार की आपकी मिमिक्री अगर किसी
I think the best compliment to any actor or a comedian or a stage actor, theatre actor, किसी artist, कोई भी artist हो, चाहे singer हो, I think the mimicry is the greatest form of flattery.
Wow.
And it is a compliment to an actor.
एंड सवाल ये तो आज के दिन बनता है कि इंडस्ट्री में आपको किसके बाल ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं, एक्ट्रेस एंड एक्टर?
मेरे खुद के बाल.
And Saif also, right?
हाँ, of course. See, both of us over there.
और किसको चाहिए
किसी
आपको?
और का नाम लेना तो बनता नहीं है.
Any other questions?